Hi team, welcome to week 4 of distance learning. The purpose of this screencast is to show you what we're doing during week 4. We're going to continue learning about India. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into the languages and the religion. And then you'll have a chance to do another short quiz on Friday. So first on Monday, we're going to start by going over the quiz from last Friday. So you're going to watch a video here, and this is going to show you it's going to explain
Hello, students. It's good to see you.
Questions that we got wrong on the quiz from last week. So this video will clarify and teach you the correct answers to the quiz from last week. And then let's go back to the directions here. If you did not get 12 out of 12 on the quiz from last Friday, please go back and try it again. And if you watch my video on Monday, then you'll know all the answers. So I'm expecting every student to have 12 out of 12. I did allow you to take it 5 times. Some of you have taken it a few times, and now you have a perfect score. So if you still need to get a better score, please use Monday to go back. And how you'd go back is you would just go back to week 3, and you'd go down to Friday, and then you'll take the quiz again. Okay, so that is that. And let's go back to our lesson for this week. We're in week 4. Okay, on Tuesday, we're going to learn about the languages in India, and I made for you a video about it, and you will watch the video. The video has also some C notes. So it's only 1 page of C notes, and the video is 9 minutes, so it shouldn't take you too long to do that. You'll take the C notes and then you'll just submit them. So here is the C notes here. Submit those and that'll be good. On Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to learn more about Hinduism. I found a video I really liked. The video was 20 minutes, so I'm breaking it up in 2 groups. On Wednesday, we'll watch the first 10 minutes, and on Thursday, we'll watch the second 10 minutes. So I linked the video here. It's very interesting.
Hinduism,
I watched
the religion
it a few
of
times.
over 1 billion people.
It has a lot of information, so you might need to watch it a few times. So the plan for Wednesday is to watch the first half of it, the first 10 minutes, and then you have some notes to do. There's 2 pages of C notes. Last time, some people only did the first page of the C notes and you missed the second page. So when you download this into your Notability, make sure you're seeing that there's 2 pages. So if I click on it and I see it open, it's going to look like page 1 and then page 2. Okay. Same thing for Thursday. Thursday is going to be some more details about the Hindu religion. Hinduism is so interesting, it's very complicated, so it takes a bit of time to understand it. We're going to go back to the same video, and this time I want you to start it at about minute 10. So I want you to start it kind of where you see
everything comes from Brahma.
This part, or you might see this like this water. I want you to start it there because that's where the notes start. You're going to have another C note assignment. Again, it's 2 more pages. So check that you have downloaded both pages. It looks like this, and then the second page is like this. And then you're done. So this week you are taking some notes. You're going to be using the notes on the quiz on Friday. Yes, we are going to have a little quiz. I'm trying to get you some, oh, here's my cat. She wants to learn. I'm trying to get you some summative points, which is why I'm doing quizzes. You'll take the quiz here. Hey, you can take this one 5 times also. All the questions are in the C notes. So I would recommend that if you're not sure what the answer is, that you look at the C notes and that you can put the correct answer. I believe if you do the C notes, you'll get all of the questions right. Plus, you can take it 5 times if you don't. That's the directions for this week. Patches and I wish you well, and please reach out to us. Let us know if you need help with anything. We are both here to help you. Thank you. Have a great week.